Hello, this is Chris from our pest control products. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to anchor our rodent bed stations in different type of materials. Let's get started with tarmac, which is all around us here. There's a very simple solution to deal with it. So first I open the box, I remove the insert tray because there are some sharp edges and we don't want to get injured. It's recommended to have proper gloves, and all we need to do this, I'm just going to demonstrate it here, okay? It's a drill, any kind of drill will do, and some wide screws like this one. The body of the screw is quite wide, and all you need to do is to have that into the tarmac. Those ones are quite pointy as well. It will make it much easier, and they will never come off. We have some for 10 years, they have never come off. It's very, very strong, and it's the only thing that works in tarmac because tarmac is quite soft. So I'll just show you there. I prepare it there. So you go slow at the beginning, and once the screw has engaged, you can go a bit faster, and that's it. So as you can see, I can't even twist or bend or anything. It's completely set up. So then you just put your tray back, your rodenticide, and you can lock the box. Jump down. Okay. Now let's see for other surfaces. Again, this is very easy to remove, so if you ever need to take your boxes back, no problem at all, just a little hole. Now, when we move onto concrete walls or floors, like these, concrete blocks, or mortar between bricks, you need to use some kind of masonry nails. So traditionally, we were using these nail guns, so there is speed, there is Hilti, or also some high impact drill, not like this one. All of that cost over 500 euro, but as well as that, you need to have always with you your goggles, earplugs. Make sure you have some cartridges. There's a lot of maintenance, some oil, cleaning inside, nails and washers, and this is really time consuming and also very bulky in the van. So what I suggest that you do is to replace it with a lump hammer and this extraordinary little tool. So all of that doesn't take any space, it's not dangerous, you don't need any special training. And the way it works is we use special nails. I'll show you close up there. Those nails are 22 mil long. There's a washer that's welded in the middle of the nail. I don't know if you can catch it there. And those clip onto the tool. Okay, so that's as simple. And that tool will protect your hand and will also give you extreme strength when you try to put the nail onto the wall. So it has also the advantage, unlike the nail guns can be too powerful, and if you go into a soft material, the nail can go right through the box, right through everything, whereas with this you have far more control of your power. So I'll just show you, for example, here, if you have mortar, you just put the nail against and then you go, that's it, the nail is in. Okay. Now if you want to use it on concrete blocks, I'm going to show you with another nail how we do this. So again, I put the nail onto the tool and I take my rodent box there, and that's another concrete block. So I remove the insert again for safety, and I pick one of the holes there. There's a few on the box, but let's say this one, and I'm going to give it a few knocks. You need very little, so it's not completely in now. I can put it a bit further. That's it now. Now the box is really, really secure. You can see I can move it hardly, okay? So that will last for a long time. There's another added advantage to this, is that the tool has so much torque, so much power when you put it onto the head, and you may know the nails, masonry nails can be removed by vibrations. So if you do a little rotation movement like this, and everybody's gonna love that, very soon the vibrations will create will make the concrete loosen up, and then you will be able to both recover your nail and your box. So if you do a temporary job, or if you own the bait stations and you need to remove them on termination of some service agreement you have with your customer, no problem at all. The box comes out completely intact, and even the nail may be reused probably. So this is really it. So we have the three situations. Putting boxes into tarmac, just use a standard drill with heavy wide screws, and putting bed stations onto concrete blocks, use the tool, and use also the tool to get the box fitted onto brick walls or anything with mortar between bricks or concrete blocks. Thank you for listening.